Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am gonna show you how to create a movie poster. I have already created two videos on it. If you haven't seen, you can check them on my channel. Today is going to be another classy poster video in which I will create a poster of Kurulus Osman, the trending TV series nowadays, not only in Turkey or Pakistan but all over the world. So I have already downloaded the sources that I will use. If you want to use them, I will give you the link in the description. You can copy it from there or you can follow up the link. So without wasting any much time, let's get into it. But before that, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay, so first of all, we have to create a new document. I have already created it, and you can create a new document from file new, and from this window you can set the pixels you want it to be. I am going to show you the pixels of this document. I will show you the pixels like the document I am going to use is 1025 pixels width and 1500 pixels height. So first of all, we will need the character on which we are going to create the poster. So for that, I have already downloaded the image. Here it is. So I will drag the image into the Photoshop software and I will release click when there is copy option, and now I will select my character from it. So I will use quick selection tool. From here it will be not that much difficult for me. Yes, okay, so I will leave these hairs out and a little selection here, something like here. Okay, it's good here, and I will crop these hairs too as I don't need them. So now I will press I will select, first of all click on select. First I will select this layer. If you have any other layer, please select the layer this layer, and then click on select, modify, and expand it to something like 5 pixels. No, it's not going that good. Press Ctrl Z, again select, modify, expand to 2% here, or 2 pixel. Expand it to 2 pixels. Okay, now I will press Ctrl Shift and I. You can also reverse the selection from select and inverse. So I have used the shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Now I will move this character into the document I am going to create the poster. So I will take it and I will drop it here. So here it is. Now I will adjust it according to my needs. I will enlarge the size of it, something like this will work good, and I will enlarge it a little bit more. So I think it's okay now. Yes, it's okay. So now I am going to place the background. I have already downloaded the image that I am going to use in the background. So I will take it and place it in the Photoshop. I will enlarge it according to my needs. I will place it where I want, like something like this will do good. And then I will press Control plus right press to move it backward. Sorry, Control plus left press it was. So now I will give some adjustments to the character and to the background so that they can match with each other. But before that, you can see here is a little hole, so for that I will create a little black rectangle, not black, something little close to the color of the character, so it's good. Now what we have to do is to give some adjustments to the character and the background. First of all, I will select the character layer. I will go to image, adjustments, brightness and contrast, and I will lower the brightness a little bit and I will increase the contrast to 100%. It's loading, so we will wait. I want it to 100% and brightness a little less. Okay, now I will go to image, adjustment, levels, and not that much dark, a little dark, a little more, and it's okay. Now I will go again to image, adjustments, and curves. I will adjust the curves to ensure that it's looking good for my character. Okay, it's good here. Now the final one, image adjustments, vibrance, let's decrease the vibrance, and saturation too. So as you can see, it's now matching the background a little bit. Now I will go to image adjustment and hue and by saturation, and now I will try to match the color to the background. So something like light blue. So for that I will turn it to blue and then I will decrease the saturation. So yes, it's looking almost to the background, it's matching almost to the background, but I will show you how to completely ensure that they are same. So now I will give some adjustment to background too. First of all, auto tone, image auto contrast, and image auto color. So there it's looking good. I will not do anything else. So now I will select the background layer and the layer of the character. I don't want this rectangle, so I will press Control this and then again this, and now I will create a group from these. So group from layers, group 1, let's name it source. Okay, so now I will create a copy of it. I will turn it off in case I need it again, so that's why I am keeping it, so it's editable. So now I will create a smart object from this group, and then from smart object I will rasterize it. So now I will give some adjustment to this this whole image. So for that I will click on filter and camera raw filter. Now I will go for something little cyan. So yes, I want something like this time. not too much, but still, yes, it's good. Now I will set exposure and these adjustments too. I will set the exposure to minus 0.75. Contrast, I will increase the contrast, not too much but a little bit, to something like 30. Yes, it's good. Highlights to minus 13. Shadow to minus 17. Whites, let's increase the whites to something like 30, and blacks to minus 10 will do good, and clarity to 100%. Here it is, and you can see that it's giving a movie poster look. And the haze to 55. Vibrance will be a little bit up, and saturation will be a little bit down to minus 30, and then I will press OK. So you can see the movie poster look in the image. Now you can see this rectangle here. Now I will adjust this rectangle, like I will give it some color, some black color, and yes, it's done. Now let's make it part of the image. I will rasterize the layers, and then I will group from them again, and I will convert to smart object and rasterize the layer. So now I have this poster ready here. Now I will do some more adjustments like auto tone, auto contrast, and auto color. As you can see, little bit difference here, and some filter and filter gallery. Let's see if we can do something here. What's the change? Let's see. Control, let's sorry, I have to create another layer first, and now I will go and filter gallery, which one was that? I think it was this. Now we will see the difference. Yes, it is giving a better look, so I will delete this one and I will go for this. And now I will adjust some levels, and some, you can say, brightness and contrast. Okay, so we are done with the main source image. Now I will add some text here so that it's fully in the form of a poster. So for that I have downloaded its logo, but before all of this I want to add some clouds. Let's see if they will work good. I will use them, if not I will remove them. Let's add them to Photoshop. Yes, there, and I will blend them to overlay or screen. Overlay is doing good, and now I will give them, I will place them to their actual place, to actual position. So I want this one, yes, this one, and eraser. First I will rasterize it. Now I will use the eraser on it. Let's see how it looks. Yes, it's looking good. It's giving some extra touch, so it's okay for that. Now I will add the logo of the TV series Kurulus Osman. I will enlarge it so it is positioned well, and now I will change the color to something that is matching the background, so it may be white. Okay, let's move it aside. Mm, we have to take a little time here, this time, to check which one is going good for this. Yes, the orange one is good, doing very good. So let's keep it to orange. No, orange, 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 orange. Yes, and it will be to something like 1, and then we can do some outer glow. We will decrease the size, increase the spread. I think outer glow is not doing good, so we will leave it. And I think bevel and emboss, yes, bevel and emboss is doing good. Contour, texture, okay, contour, and it's okay. Now I will add some text on the top, so it shows that it is the drama by an actor, Burak Ozjivit, or I will write Osman. So I will take the text tool. They are good. So that's all from today. Mm, yes, it's looking nice now. So that's all from today. I hope you liked the video. It took a little bit long to match some colors, and I apologize for that, but still we made it through. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn that notification bell on, so you will be able to get new notifications from the videos I will upload soon. That's all from today. Let's see you on the other side. Until then, bye bye.